Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I was going to go over a new planner that I will be using for 2019. Yes, I know you guys typically tune into this channel and it's all Happy Planner, which I'm still going to be using. But this is, I love it. This is the Aura Estelle Leather TN. I will link the shop below. I got the all black, love it. And in it, I have not set this up yet to make it all cute, but you get a couple card slots here, a card slot here. It comes with 4 elastics. And then in the back, you've got a secretarial pocket, another card slot. And this is what makes this planner really neat. You can adjust the closure, the width of your notebook. I've got it on the smallest setting, but this is the Muji B6 notebook, and love it. Open it up, and in the front I've just kind of got my holidays. It's got the year at a glance for 2018, 2019, 2020. This page is the 2019 year at a glance too, and I think I may put birthdays and anniversaries here. And then it started this month in December and goes all the way through January of 2020. And I've just set it up with putting in my months. And for the month of January, all I've got in here is bill due, paydays, and birthdays and anniversaries. So I've kind of got the whole year clipped. And then this is the weekly layout. And the reason why I love this planner is because of its layout. It's a week on one page essentially, and then it gives me a whole sheet of grid paper. There was a video by Carrie Harling that I will link below that goes over her take of planner piece, and I totally agree with her. To me, planner piece is a layout in which you can plan effectively. So it's not necessarily determined by size, because I love the week on one page with grid on the side in a personal ring planner. That worked great. It also works great for me in a Hobonichi Weeks, which will be in my lineup for 2019. And reason being is I am just a list maker. Over all the planners that I have used over the last several years, it just keeps coming back to to this layout where I just need room to run a running weekly checklist. So I will be using this planner, and hopefully we'll see how far we go with it. My initial thought is that it would replace my mini Happy Planner, but I'm not 100% sold on that idea yet. So we'll see. I'm still going to be using the mini for the month of January and kind of see where all this plays out. Because this is essentially the same size as a mini Happy Planner, but I just love this layout. I didn't have luck with the mini Happy Planner horizontal layout, and then I was using the Supermom dashboard layout, which was working. But I wanted to give this a try. And again, I love it. The paper is not Tomo River paper, but it reminds me of it. It's very smooth, takes pen really well. Just love it. And in the back here, it's got a small section of just extra note paper. And what I think I may do is put in, this does have 4 elastics. On this elastic, just do a basic B6 notebook, just with maybe grid paper that I can just brain dump on. But yeah, so I went ahead and planned for the first week of the year, and it'll essentially just be functional planning with some functional stickers. I didn't have a lot going on here since it was the holiday week, so this is kind of how it turned out. But again, my goal is to also use up all of my stickers because I have a lot. So anyhow, that is this planner. And again, I will link all the shops below that I mentioned, but if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments below. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.